Hey guys, welcome to the another video. In the previous video, we already installed CasaOS in our home server. Now time to install Jellyfin so that we can run media server in our home server. So first we need to mount the hard disks. If you don't know, I will make another video for you. Just comment in below. Next, I need to go to the App Store and I will search Jellyfin. Here you will get two options, one for GPU, another for not GPU. My system has no GPU, so I will select only Jellyfin. And let's install in background, so it will take some time. So it will just downloading the image and then it is running in background. So when the download is complete, you need to go to the setting section and you need to update the path where your media exists. Okay, so we do not need to change anything the config. We will change only the path of this media. So if you remember, we already mounted the hard disk, so you need to go there. Okay, so I already mounted this mount and HDD, so I will give this path to this setting. Okay, so let's add it. So here the setting section and the path will be slash mnt slash htd. And you can also check some device we are also passing, that's by default. You can also increase or decrease the memory limit, cpu uses. You can also control from here according to your system requirement and those stuff. Then you need to do simple setup, and when you click on save, it will just background, it will run docker compose command and it will spin up. So it will take some time to spin up this app. You need to click on the open. It is just asks for initial setup. You need to choose language, then you need to choose the set the username and the password for this as a user. That will be the initial user as a root user. When the password setup is done, you need to go to the next, and then it is asking to add the media library. So click on this and it will, you will choose the media. Maybe music. For me it is movie, so I have some South Indian movie, so I will choose the South Indian Hindi in the display name. And then I will go to the folder to so what folder I am this movie exists. So I will go to this path exactly. You need to go to the like same way. There is lot of option, you can read and you can select, and by default so all are okay, and you can ignore all the what. Okay, after the setup you need to go to the next. You can also select the language and the country, that's your paper. Okay, next, next, and you can also enable automatic port mapping. You'll get some extra feature that will help to render your video properly. Next, finish. Your everything is setup is done. Give the username and the password, then you need to click on the sign in. When your sign is done, you will be able to see your movie. It will take some time to sync the movie data. So this movie name is bomb, but why it is coming from still I don't know. So there is some option we have to update the this metadata. So you need to first go to the Google and search bomb. Oh no, that's not coming. This, let me do the bombs movie, then it is coming. So just you need to go to this website IMDb and then copy the ID after the title and just paste here, and then you will search. It will search in that from the DB, and then it will return the metadata and it will have to store it there. It will take little bit of time. Okay, now you see the all data is entered properly. Now you can also play the movie from here. Just click on the play icon. Okay, it is running from your disk. Okay, if you're, there is a lot of option. You can uh, change the language, you can control the volume. Okay, that's everything on you. That's it for this video. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.